Nestled in the heart of Andhra Pradesh lies a hidden gem that beckons travelers with its enchanting allure. Macherla is a town that captivates with its natural beauty. This quaint town is a perfect blend of scenic landscapes and cultural heritage, offering a unique experience for every visitor. Surrounded by lush greenery and blessed with cascading waterfalls, Macherla is a paradise for nature lovers. The sound of water crashing against rocks and the sight of verdant foliage create a serene atmosphere that soothes the soul. Macherla offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Here, time seems to slow down, allowing you to immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. The town is renowned for its historical significance, evident in its ancient temples and monuments. These structures stand as a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the region, inviting history enthusiasts to explore their intricate architecture and fascinating stories. Macherla is a tapestry woven with threads of nature and history, making it an ideal destination for those seeking tranquility and a glimpse into the past. The harmonious blend of natural beauty and historical charm creates an atmosphere that is both peaceful and intriguing. Macherla's charm lies in its ability to transport you to a world untouched by time. The timeless landscapes and unspoiled natural scenery offer a refreshing escape from the modern world. The air is fresh, the landscapes are breathtaking, and the pace of life is refreshingly slow. It's a place where you can take a deep breath and truly relax, surrounded by the beauty of nature. Whether you are an adventure enthusiast or a history buff, Macherla has something special to offer every traveler. From thrilling outdoor activities to exploring ancient sites, there's always something to discover. The town is easily accessible by road, with well-maintained highways connecting it to major cities in Andhra Pradesh. A road trip to Macherla is an adventure in itself, offering scenic views along the way. The nearest airport is in Vijayawada, approximately 130 kilometers away. From there, you can easily reach Macherla by road, making it a convenient destination for travelers. Once in Macherla, local transportation options like buses and auto rickshaws are readily available for navigating within the town and exploring its surrounding attractions. These modes of transport provide an authentic experience of the local lifestyle. With its convenient accessibility and captivating beauty, Macherla promises an unforgettable journey into the heart of Andhra Pradesh. It's a destination that leaves a lasting impression, inviting you to return and explore its wonders time and again. Cherla Falls, a true spectacle of nature's artistry, is a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Andhra Pradesh. This stunning waterfall is not just a visual treat, but also a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of nature. It is one of Macherla's most prized possessions, drawing visitors from far and wide who come to witness its splendor. Cascading down from a height of 70 feet, the waterfall creates a breathtaking spectacle as it plunges into the pool below. The mist and spray that rise from the falls add a mystical aura, making it a sight to behold. The water plunges into a turquoise pool below, creating a mesmerizing symphony of sound and motion that captivates the senses. The dynamic flow of water, combined with the natural acoustics of the surroundings, offers a unique auditory experience. The falls get their name from the Telugu words ithi, meaning two, and potala, meaning streams, as two streams merge to form this breathtaking waterfall. This confluence of streams is a natural wonder, showcasing the harmonious blend of water and landscape. The lush greenery surrounding Cherla Falls adds to its allure, providing a vibrant contrast to the cascading water. The dense forests are home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts and wildlife photographers. Visitors can explore the rich biodiversity, spotting various species of plants, birds, and animals in their natural habitat. They can embark on nature walks and treks, immersing themselves in the tranquility of the surroundings and discovering the hidden treasures of the forest. The serene paths and peaceful trails offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, allowing visitors to reconnect with nature. Cherla Falls is a popular picnic spot, attracting locals and tourists alike, who come to enjoy a day out in the lap of nature. Families and friends gather here to relax, have fun, and create lasting memories against the backdrop of the stunning waterfall. The cool mist from the waterfall and the serene atmosphere make it an ideal place to relax and rejuvenate amidst nature's embrace. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or simply a beautiful spot to unwind, Cherla Falls offers an unforgettable experience that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. No trip to Macherla is complete without witnessing the architectural grandeur of Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. This colossal structure is not just a dam, it's a symbol of human perseverance and engineering excellence. The intricate masonry work and the sheer size of the dam are truly awe-inspiring. Located a short distance from the town, the dam stands as a testament to human ingenuity. It is one of the largest masonry dams in the world, stretching across the Krishna River and creating a massive reservoir. The dam's construction involved the labor of thousands of workers and took several years to complete. Today it stands as a symbol of India's progress in irrigation and power generation. The sheer scale of Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is awe-inspiring, and its impact on the region is immeasurable. Visitors to Nagarjuna Sagar Dam can enjoy boating in the reservoir, offering stunning views of the surrounding hills and the vast expanse of water. The dam's scenic beauty and historical significance make it a popular destination for both domestic and international tourists. The reservoir created by the dam is one of the largest in India, providing water for irrigation to vast tracts of agricultural land. This has transformed the region into a fertile oasis, supporting the livelihoods of thousands of farmers. The dam also plays a crucial role in hydroelectric power generation, contributing significantly to the energy needs of the region. The power generated here lights up homes and powers industries, driving economic growth and development. The construction of Nagarjuna Sagar Dam was a monumental task, involving advanced engineering techniques and the dedication of countless workers. Historical photos and vintage footage capture the immense effort that went into building this modern marvel. Today, the dam stands not only as a functional piece of infrastructure, but also as a testament to the vision and hard work of those who built it. It is a source of pride for the nation and a must-visit for anyone interested in engineering and history. The dam's construction involved the labor of thousands of workers and took several years to complete. Today, it stands as a symbol of India's progress in irrigation and power generation. Visitors to Nagarjuna Sagar Dam can enjoy boating in the reservoir, offering stunning views of the surrounding hills and the vast expanse of water. The dam's scenic beauty and historical significance make it a popular destination for both domestic and international tourists. The dam's scenic beauty and historical significance make it a popular destination for both domestic and international tourists. Visitors to Nagarjuna Sagar Dam can enjoy boating in the reservoir, offering stunning views of the surrounding hills and the vast expanse of water. The dam's scenic beauty and historical significance make it a popular destination for both domestic and international tourists. The dam's scenic beauty and historical significance make it a popular destination for both domestic and international tourists. The dam's scenic beauty and historical significance make it a popular destination for both domestic and international tourists. The dam's scenic beauty and historical significance make it a popular destination for both domestic and international tourists. Flowing gracefully through the heart of Macherla, the Chandravanka River adds to the town's serene ambience. The river's gentle currents and crystal-clear waters create a sense of tranquility that is both soothing and captivating. The Chandravanka River is not just a source of water, but also holds cultural and religious significance for the locals. It is believed to be a sacred river, and several temples and ghats line its banks. Visitors can take leisurely walks along the riverbank, enjoying the fresh air and the picturesque views. The river also offers opportunities for boating and fishing, allowing visitors to connect with nature in its purest form. Section 5, A Glimpse into History. Sri Lakshmi Chennakesava Swami Temple. Macherla is steeped in history, and the Sri Lakshmi Chennakesava Swami Temple stands as a testament to its rich past. This ancient temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, is an architectural marvel adorned with intricate carvings and sculptures. The temple's history dates back several centuries, and it has witnessed the rise and fall of empires. It is a place of great religious significance, attracting devotees from far and wide. Visitors to the temple can marvel at the craftsmanship of the artisans who built it. The temple's serene atmosphere and spiritual aura create a sense of peace and tranquility that is both humbling and inspiring. Section 6. Exploring the outdoors in Macherla. For adventure enthusiasts, Macherla offers a plethora of outdoor activities. The town's surrounding hills and forests provide ample opportunities for trekking, bird watching, and nature walks. Trekking trails wind their way through the dense forests, leading to hidden waterfalls and breathtaking viewpoints. Birdwatchers can spot a wide variety of avian species, including migratory birds that visit the region during specific seasons. Nature walks in Macherla are a treat for the senses. The fresh air, the sound of birdsong, and the sight of colorful butterflies create an immersive experience that rejuvenates both body and soul. Section 7. Planning your Macherla adventure. The best time to visit Macherla is during the winter months, from October to March. The weather is pleasant during this time, making it ideal for outdoor activities and sightseeing. Macherla offers a range of accommodation options to suit every budget, from budget-friendly guest houses to comfortable hotels. The town is known for its warm hospitality, and visitors can expect a comfortable and enjoyable stay. When planning your trip to Macherla, it is advisable to book your accommodation in advance, especially during peak season. Local tour operators offer guided tours and packages that can enhance your travel experience. Section 8, Macherla, where nature meets history. Macherla, with its captivating blend of nature and history, is a destination that leaves a lasting impression on its visitors. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or a glimpse into the past, Macherla has something to offer everyone. From the cascading waterfalls to the ancient temples, every corner of Macherla tells a story. It is a place where you can escape the ordinary and immerse yourself in the extraordinary. So, pack your bags and embark on a journey to Macherla, where nature meets history in perfect harmony.